So I said in the beginning, and then I'll let you go in now. Okay, go for it.
I got hair mouth. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Nikki, this is my mama.
Dr. Sarah Ciso, welcome to our raw vegan kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a drink for leaky gut syndrome.
Ooh.
Okay? You have to understand that 80 to 90% of human beings walking around with leaky gut, and they don't even know that. They have all these symptoms of allergies and all that, and they don't know it's caused by leaky gut.
Yeah, so leaky gut is actually a condition where the lining of your small intestine is damaged. So what happens is food particles and toxic waste matter and bacteria can pass through the openings of the wall of your intestines into your bloodstream, which then causes your immune system to go after those larger particles and attack them and think that they're the enemy and take them out and then tag them as an allergy, for example. So take a banana. Normally it would get broken down all the way to glucose, which passes into your bloodstream and distributed to your cells. Perfect sense. But if a larger piece of a banana gets into your bloodstream, your body's going to have a reaction to it, and then from then on you might have an allergic, it's like sends the signals out every time you have a banana. Does that make sense? If you're developing these allergies a little bit later in life, please get yourself checked for a leaky gut. Some of the other symptoms to be aware of: poor digestion, inflammation bowel disease, autoimmune disorder, thyroid issues, adrenal fatigue, mood disorders, skin problems, and candida. And what is the number one thing that causes leaky gut?
Gluten!
Yes!
Gluten is really, really bad for you. So make sure to read everything. And if you see gluten on it, do not buy it.
Yeah.
All right? You want gluten-free diet.
Yeah.
Gluten causes havoc in your body. And remember, 70% of your immune system, it's in your gut. You want to keep your gut nice and clean, okay? It's just like a sewer. If you don't take care of it and it clogs up, what happens? You know, a disaster, right? So please keep your gut nice and clean. It's very, very important. A lot of the diseases that we get, it's because of our gut being not as clean as it should be, okay? Yeah.
And you see, a lot of men, they're skinny legs, and they've got these pot bellies. That's an impacted colon often. So please make sure you're taking good care of it. It should be nice and flat.
Exactly.
Okay, so this is going to help you rebuild your colon once you get it cleaned out, which we can help you, by the way, with our detox program. Contact us if you do want help with that. We are available, but this is to start with L-Glutamine.
So we're going to start with L-Glutamine. Nicola can show it to you closer.
Yes. It's a little tough with the lighting, but I will put it in the comments. This one is called Aniva, and
it's absolutely pure, nothing else in it. Okay, so each one of those come with a scooper, and you just use one scooper, just like that, one scooper into your glass.
One of the most important nutrients for a healthy digestive tract because it heals the irritated tissues.
Yes. And then to that, I'm going to add the Quercetin Dihydrated. You want to show it closer?
Yeah, this one's the Micro Ingredients Company. It kind of looks like that, if you can look for that.
And it's all organic. Again, it has a scooper inside, so just use the scooper.
Quercetin has a list of benefits, number one being that it's relieving of allergy symptoms for that reason. It's very well known to help you with let's start again. Quercetin has a list of benefits, one of which is fights free radicals, reduces inflammation, prevents neurological diseases, reduces the risk of cancer, relieves allergy symptoms, prevents infections, reduces the risk of heart disease, and lowers high blood pressure.
That's right. And then we have here the Marshmallow root powder.
Yeah, also, this Micro Ingredients Company kind of looks like that.
And it has a scooper inside, so just use the scooper.
Marshmallow root is really well known for healing skin wounds. It helps seal the wound. So that's why we are understanding that it also helps your intestines heal those wounds.
Exactly.
Seals things
the
up.
Gap, it seals it, close it. All right, so I got those 3 ingredients in here. And to that, I'm gonna add 2 more ingredients to make it taste better. So I'm going to put a little bit, maybe a 1/8 of a teaspoon of stevia. Make sure you get the green stevia, very important. It's just the leaf, dehydrated and crushed. You don't want to buy the white one or the liquid one. The liquid has alcohol in it, and the white one is processed to death, so you just really stay away from that. You can buy that in Amazon. Just put green stevia, organic, make sure. And then to that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is great for
diabetics.
Exactly.
Yes, helps you manage your blood sugars. And it adds such a sweetness, it's delicious.
absolutely amazing. So I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients.
I just put the water right in, but she does a really thorough job.
Yes, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water, and I'll mix it so it won't get any lumps in it. Mix it really, really well. And then to that, I'll add some more water till I get 8 ounces of water, just like that. And then drink it. And you want to drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and then before your lunch another glass, and then before dinner another glass. So you need 3 glasses a day.
It's delightful. You'll want it.
Delicious.
Yeah.
It's really fantastic.
It tastes like a chai latte without any cream and without any added sugar. It's brilliant. It literally has this creamy, sweet chai spice flavor to it. I love it. It's
really, really. It's a treat.
I can't wait for mommy to make this for me 3 times a day.
Yes, it's a treat. It's really a treat. You would love it. It's delicious. So.
All right.
Yeah.
I hope you all have some nice, healthy, happy colons.
Exactly. Look after yourself. Thank you for watching. Namaste.
Yeah.